In 2003, I was 12 years old. My birthday is in October, so I turned, my birthday's in October, so, it's at the end of the year. But, so I'm about to be 13. And one of the things that I used to do to make money back then was build websites. I was only 12, 13 years old, and I used to charge $250 a website. And back in '03, this is about a year before Facebook came out. And at that point, Facebook was you could only use it if you were a college student, and you had to get like 8 people who go to your college to verify that you actually go there before you could join. MySpace was a year away from coming out. YouTube came out in '05, just to give you some context. So there was no social media. And so websites weren't easy to build back. Well, everybody didn't have the software to do it. So I'm going to show you how we used to make money back in the day. My first hustle. Alright. So this is an old version of Photoshop. It's Photoshop 7.0. And what we would do is first you want to make the size of the layout to fit the screen of a computer. So we're going to do 800 times 600, which is the typical size of a computer screen. So say for example somebody wants to make a website about we're going to say R. Kelly. Let's say somebody sent me an email and say, hey, I want to make an R. Kelly fan site, and I say, okay, PayPal me $250, and this is how we would do it. And this is only going to take a minute. Alright, so we can get this. Okay. Alright, so you want to make a basic website. You want to have this section right here, with some links, and then we could actually add a border to it. What color the border? Yellow? Yeah, so a yellow border. Okay. Alright, and whatever. Alright, so, and then we'll make our banner. Put our banner here. We can make it burgundy and black themed. Okay, that'll be our banner. And then we can put another section for links right here. And we can make that burgundy. And then we can put a section right here for everything else, okay? And yeah, this is how we used to do it back in '03. Alright, now, so next what we're going to do is we're going to add some images. Okay. Bam. Picture of R. Kelly right here. Get it nice. Get it real nice. Put that right there. Okay. That's R. Kelly. And we can use this as the banner. Oh, that's a big picture. Alright, we're going to make this a little smaller. Alright, and I'm really doing this. I'm not, I'm really doing it. So, I think that 300 times 169. Bam. Okay, we're making our banner. Making a banner. Oh god, I'm dragging the wrong thing. Alright, hold on. Alright. Whatever. Alright, so let's clean this up a bit right here. Clean this up. Alright, so bam. And you could put your text, and put, R. Kelly, let's say the name of the site is R. Kelly World. Alright, that's the site. Let's make the text look a little better. Right? We can jazz it up a little bit. And then we can make the border a little better. Bam. R. Kelly World. So that's the banner. And what we can do here, we can put our links. And links right there, so that's links, and we can put news and stuff right here, news updates, okay, And we can put here, we can put ads, like advertisement. Bam. And alright, what I would do is, the final step would be to code it. And I would code it in HTML, and I would make all the links PHP. That way when you click a link right here, this whole thing shows up. So when you click a link, the content will show up in the middle. So every time you click a link, it'll just show up in the middle, and that way the layout is the same every time you click something. And back then we would sell this for about $2.50. I would code it and I would send it to them. You have, in order to code it, you got to cut the images up individually. So I would have to take this image, this right here, I would have to crop that, and I would have to individually code that. But yeah, I'm just giving you some insight into my first hustle. I used to make a lot of money. I used to provide for my family doing that. Yeah, peace.